my background is all over the place. So I studied fashion design at Solent University, and I had all different roles in fashion. Like I started my own brand, I've worked in VM, I've done bits of design, and eventually I just kind of wanted to use more of my degree. So I looked up areas in fashion I could specialise in and found the FRA, the garment tech course at the FRA. And because I had that degree, I was able to help other people with their coursework, and my tutor kind of said, have you ever thought about teaching? And I thought, yeah, maybe in a few years. And then after I'd been out in industry at Bowden as a garment tech for a while, this job came up, and I've been here ever since. I got into design, like the rest of my career, I got into design through a really roundabout way. So I originally had planned to do something around English or languages, and my art teacher said to me, she was like, well, you're not very good, but you are gifted at drawing women and drawing clothing, so have you ever thought about doing that? And I thought, fine, I will. And so I tried it and really found that it worked, and I like the fact that it was a craft that I could learn over a long period of time. About my course, the best course, the best thing I would say is the diversity. It will set you up for lots of different things. We've got amazing industry contacts, you get some practical skills, you get manufacturing, design. We can set you up for starting your own brand, we can set you up for going into a technical role, and we've got a really high success rate at students getting into really amazing roles. So my favourite designer at the moment, who I'm referencing a lot in my lessons, I would say, is they're actually a pair, so Holly McQuillan and Timo Rissanen, and they are sustainable designers who came up with the zero waste system, so ways of making clothes that once they get to the end of their life, they can be unpicked and just become a flat piece of fabric again. And sustainability, as my students will tell you, I'm obsessed with. So anything that makes a garment more eco-friendly, I'm on board with. My career highlight, I would say, was last year. So that was when I fully became leader of the garment tech course. I took on a design group as well, and our results were amazing. So just seeing the students achieve, even in the middle of a pandemic, that was a real highlight. I'd say it's really valuable actually having been a student, because I can kind of think, well, this worked, this is something I hoped for while I was on the course, so I kind of come at it with the attitude that I don't want anyone to kind of leave the fro thinking, oh, I wish I hadn't done that. I want essentially to be that annoying tutor who all the students reference later in life, like, oh, my last tutor did it like this, and my last tutor managed to make it really interesting. Yeah, I'd say one very much feeds into the other. Like, having been a student, I really want to give them like the best experience I could